Hi everyone! Are you thinking about selling your home but feeling overwhelmed by the preparation process?
Most sellers think the weeks spent painting, staging, and repairing are lost time for marketing, but that's not true. Through an exclusive partnership with Zillow, First Team Real Estate offers the Zillow Preview Strategy, a high visibility program not every brokerage can provide. As the highest volume selling brokerage in Orange County, we know how to get your home the most exposure. Beyond Zillow, we have our own sneak preview network, sending your listing to thousands of registered buyers in our company intranet before it even hits the MLS. With Zillow Preview and our sneak preview network, our team provides the best of both worlds for maximum pre-marketing impact. You can even showcase the potential of your home with digital staging before a single person walks through the door. It's also the perfect solution for tenant-occupied homes where showings can be difficult to coordinate. Market the home during the coming soon period so you have a buyer audience ready the moment the home is vacant. Think of it like a movie trailer. We're building anticipation and momentum before the big premiere. Buyers can favorite your home, share it with family, and be ready to schedule a tour the second you go live. For buyers, it's a win too. It gives them a heads up to get their financing ready for the opening weekend. This isn't a loophole. It's a professional marketing tool designed to work alongside the traditional MLS process. Ready to sell easy? Let's build a customized launch strategy that maximizes your home's value from day one. Give me a call today. Let's get your home the attention it deserves.